mga Christmas, please welcome back sa akin channel. This is Chris and alam niyo yung araw panoorin natin yung teaser trailer mula to sa pinakabagong movie na handog ng DC Studio. Parang ito yung follow-up nila to sa very successful na Superman at ito yung Supergirl. So, I think this is the second time na nagkaroon ng movie version ang Supergirl. So, the first one is in the 80s na medyo mediocre. Oh, nakakatawa ang version na yon. So, this one is the second one. And hopefully, makakapalit tayo ng isang Supergirl na maganda ang story, na maganda ang pagkakadirect, maganda ang pagkaka-acting. So, yon. At maganda ang special effects. So, yon. Hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papapunawin natin yung video or yung trailer at may bibigyan reaction at opinion ko on the same teaser trailer. So, let's go!
You managed to get most of it on the paper this time. Good job, buddy. Hi, cars are out. Hereby declare that 23 will be the best year yet. Let's be honest, babe, it's not a very high bar to clear.
I didn't know any of you were still alive. What was it like to lose everything in a day?
Krypton didn't die in a day. The gods are not that kind. Okay, this does not look like this is gonna end well. For you guys.
Do others on your planet have powers like you?
No, it's a pretty small group of two.
What's Superman like?
He sees the good in everyone. And I see the truth.
June 26, 2026. Oh, ito yung napanood natin yung teaser trailer ng Supergirl na follow up to sa unang movie under the DC Studio na pinapatagbo ngayon ay managed by Peter Safran at James Gunn. Tama ba yan? James Gunn. So yun, Supergirl. So, and this is the second time na nagkaroon ng movie about Supergirl. So, the first one is in 1984. At tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, it's a mediocre movie version. Nakakatawa, pangit ang kwento. As in, it's a trash. And this one, based to sa nakita kong trailer, it gives me a hope na it is way better do sa the first movie ng Supergirl na nagawa at naipalabas in the 80s. Yung umpisa medyo almost 1/3 ata, 3/4 ng movie, ng trailer. Medyo naisip ako parang hindi ata Supergirl to because of yung everything, yung parang iba yung dating niya. It's not a DC Supergirl, di ba yung napanood natin. Pero yung later part doon na lumabas yung totoong Supergirl, di ba? So different ang atake dito, it's not like to sa first movie na talagang I don't know anong klaseng atake yun. We saw the character of Lobo and I think it is portrayed by yung Aquaman to sa Snyderverse, I forgot the name. Hey, sabi sa akin pangalan. Basta yun, yung bida, yung gumanap ng Aquaman to sa Snyderverse. Siya yung gaganap mo yun na Lobo. So, yun, if tama ang hinala ko. Kasi that was a chismis in the past, diba? Nung it was being done, itong movie. Parang there's a chismis na siya yung na feeling gaganap bilang si Lobo. So, may pa isang character, hindi ako familiar sa character na yun, na parang Willy, di ba? So, yun. So, and Crypto is also there, very, very cute. Isa sa mga nagpakanda to sa, nagbigay ng buhay to sa Superman, na bagong Superman movie, di ba? So, this one siya, magtatagdag rin ng bagong buhay dito sa movie na to. Mataas ang expectation ko dito because this is totally a huge reboot nung unang movie, and so we are expecting something better here when it comes to acting, storyline, and special effects, especially the special effects, di ba? And lalo pa't maganda yung naging reception to sa first movie ni James Gunn, to sa Superman, di ba? Reboot din yun. So we are looking forward for a better Supergirl version here. DC Studios version ng Supergirl. So yun. So kayo mga quiz, mga athletes, ano masasabi niyo dito sa bagong teaser or bagong movie ng Supergirl, and are you excited to see the whole movie, diba? So yun. So mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments, and mag-comment rin kayo regarding sa mga sinabi ko. And like I've said, babasahin ko mga comments nyo and I will try to interact with you guys. So yeah, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.